everyone, and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. We are still going with these beautiful Advent unboxing, so I really hope that you're enjoying them as much as I am. And obviously, if you were one of the lucky ones to get your hands on one, let me know what you've thought of them so far as well. So we're on day 16. Oh, a little something extra. Oh, this one looks almost edible. Okay. Love the name of this one. So this one is called Tiger's Eye. So again, I'm going to have to look up some of these gemstones because they sound amazing. And this looks almost like beautiful caramel chocolate. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The colours are so rich in this one. So obviously you've got the orangey yellowy gold of the actual tiger's eye, and then these beautiful shades of goldish brown. It's gorgeous. I love it. Really unusual actually. You never really think much of brown yarn, but this is beautiful. Like I say, it really makes me think of caramel chocolate or something. Really nice. Sorry, I apologise for that noise. The crows are out somewhere. You can hear they're on the back fence. Too close for comfort. So that is Tiger's Eye, and let's have a look. Oh, this one looks amazing. Can't get into it quick enough, I'm desperate. Oh, I love this. Again, very ergonomically pleasing. It feels beautiful. Hang on, let's just wait for the camera to wake up. There we go. Look at the shine and shimmer on that. So it's like a little block of it. It's beautiful. I love a stitch marker. Absolutely beautiful. Love that one. So that was Tiger's Eye and the accompanying stitch marker. So again, I'll add that to my little line of yarn sausages. There we go. See you tomorrow.